Hello, I'm Daria, co-founder of SalesQueen.io, and today we're gonna talk about the interesting topic for me, because what I do is actually I develop analytic service which helps sellers to analyze the data on marketplaces and do the right decision in terms of product search. But this topic for me definitely a challenge because I was always wondering how people do this without any software, and for me it's a bit like waste of the time, but there are still things that you may want to check without any kind of software, and it's absolutely free. So let's start. First of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open their Amazon IAM. So the first thing they're gonna do is actually open their Amazon UAE, the website, and here we can see different sections. One is bestsellers, so basically this is the products that sell the best. It gives you basic information on what kind of products you may want to sell. Then there is their new releases. What I like to do, I like to go to the bestsellers, and here different sections: bestsellers, new releases, and mover and shakers. So mover and shakers, this is the actually products with the big difference in the sales rank. Actually, Amazon gives you this information right away, if even you're not professional seller. And the beauty of that, it's all by specific categories. The only issue what I see here is like the categories, it's like big category, so the product search is not gonna be too detailed, and of course you don't know like how much exactly money there for this thing for each product. But still, I think it's great thing what you can do with Amazon, and of course it's available for everyone, which makes it like less competitive. Basically you don't gonna have that competitive advantage that like you've getting the data on trend which nobody's seen. It's like a lot of sellers, they check in this section every day, so they're gonna see it as well. As you see here, there is number of percentage, the change of the sales rank, which I think it's quite it's quite interesting. Then the next thing what you can do is actually to check the section is most wished. So basically the most wished, it's like the product, the most popular products which added to the wish list, where you also can check that kind of products you may want to sell, and it also gives you like information on what to sell on Amazon. The next strategy which I want to talk is doing the cross search. For example, then you want to sell something on Amazon, you also can check data for Noon. And to check data for Noon, it's also quite convenient, because Noon itself also has the section called bestsellers. But the difference, bestsellers section and movers and shakers in on Amazon, is that in bestsellers there is different there's products which were like selling good not only for last 24 hours, but selling good for all time. Here we also have the few in the section they have a few sections, which is new arrivals, basically the products which selling good but they are new, best sellers. I like this section a lot because it really gives you understanding what kind of products are typically selling good on Noon. And the next one is actually highly rated products. The issue with that kind of method, because in Noon in general there is like very little number of reviews per product, and most of the like highly rated products is actually same way, bestsellers, but just, you know, the products with very little number of reviews, but still that number is higher than the average for that kind of products. Another beauty of Noon that you actually can like get the access for cell screen Chrome extension. The Chrome extension is absolutely for free. You just need to go to cellscreen.io. You're gonna see at the beginning of the page extension. You go there, then you just download that Chrome extension, and you can see actually how many sales varies for each product. So for example, you can go to this product, you can see how many times it was bought, how many sales per month there, how many units in stock, and what the dynamic of their price. Another thing what you can do to check bestseller products, it's actually also to use their subscription for Cellscreen.io, and here we have the 3 days for free. So you go to Cellscreen, we have free marketplaces, which actually marketplaces and platforms which could be interesting for you for their product search purposes. One is Noon UAE, actually for second Noon KSA, third one Amazon UAE, and the last one Shopify UAE. So in Shopify UAE we see all the products which were sold in dirhams. Here's those marketplaces, and to check the data, you just need to go with our registration process, and then you're gonna get, normally we give 3 days of free subscription, but under this video you can find the promo code for 7 days for the free subscription for our tool. So you can use Cellscreen.io for 7 days absolutely with no any expenses, and if you don't like our service, or you finish your product search within 7 days, which is actually quite possible, so what you need to do, you can go to this to the account, to the settings, and into the settings you're gonna see here the subscription. For me as admin account, unfortunately I don't have this button, but you're gonna see this button calls cancel the subscription, and you can cancel your subscription, and we're gonna charge you absolutely zero money. So I generally suggest you to use that kind of opportunity, make the right product search for your products. The next type of the product search you can do for free absolutely is actually scrolling for TikTok products. So there are a few hashtags. One is Amazon made me buy. The number one is Amazon findings, and you also can like see multiple hashtags for that kind of video. So basically people publish the video where with some good interesting products, basically best-selling products. This is the great method, although I think from my personal experience, whenever I use this method, I very rarely can identify something really viral but with low competition. Usually the competition for these products is crazy, and the worst thing is actually that there are a lot of new sellers that think that this is a good product, they sell it, and they face the challenge of selling it. They just do what they do, they decrease the price of the product. So basically it's become really red ocean, and of course there's also a lot of Chinese sellers who are using cross-border business model. Basically they don't need to have stock themselves, they just need to list the products. So I personally don't really like it, but it's something which can inspire you for product search, or give you some idea of kind of products could be viral and also selling good. So this is a few life hacks how to find the product absolutely for free. I still recommend you to check Sales for 7 days because I guess it's so much more effective, and it's give you much more information. And I hope this video was helpful for you. You've got information you needed. And please subscribe to our channel, put the thumbs up. So thank you, and have you a great sales.